Imagine launching a YouTube channel in 2025 where your content does all the talking and your face remains your best-kept secret.
Well, it's not just a dream, it's the reality of faceless YouTube channels today. And you can start one even if your current view count is a big, fat 0. Stick with us, and we'll unveil how faceless channels are revolutionizing content creation in 2025.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to tap into the faceless YouTube revolution and turn it into your secret money-making machine. Let's go in.
All right, let's get real. 2025 isn't just any year. It's the year of automation, AI, and anonymous content that speaks directly to viewers, because it's all about value.
That's right. The tech world is booming with smarter AI tools that make creating content faster and easier than ever before. You don't need to be on camera for your audience to connect with you. They just want to learn, be entertained, and be inspired.
Think about it. Audiences care more about what you offer than who you are, and faceless channels let you focus solely on delivering top-notch content. With no distractions from your appearance, every video is pure gold.
Just look at channels like Kurzgesagt with its addictive animations, or The Analyst that explain cool stuff using imagination. They're proof that you don't need a face to go viral. You just need a killer strategy and content that packs a punch.
And if you're someone who values privacy, a faceless channel lets you keep your personal life under wraps while still building an engaged community.
Now that you know why 2025 is the perfect time for faceless channels, let's break down the blueprint. Step 1. Pick your niche.
Forget about doing just anything. You want a niche that's hot and has plenty of room for you. Whether it's tech hacks, productivity tips, or even bizarre history facts, find a subject you're passionate about that can also make some cash.
Passion plus profit is the winning combo. For instance, if you love gadgets, you could start a channel focused on tech reviews with simple animations and screen recordings. Or, if quirky history is your jam, explain unusual historical events with cool graphics.
Step 2 is all about arming yourself with the right tools. Here's the cheat code. Use AI tools to streamline your process. ChatGPT can help you write engaging scripts, while Pictory turns blog posts into dynamic videos.
And for visuals, Canva is perfect for crafting killer thumbnails and other graphics that grab attention. If you need professional voiceovers without using your own voice, tools like Descript, or even hiring someone on Fiverr, can give your videos that polished sound.
Step 3. Steal the spotlight with storytelling. Even if you never show your face, your narrative needs to captivate. Hook your viewers in the first 5 seconds, make them laugh, make them curious, or make them gasp.
Keep your story tight and engaging. Use data from tools like TubeBuddy to uncover viral keywords and shape your script around what people are searching for. That way, every video is not only interesting, but also optimized to be found.
Step 4 is about visuals that wow without breaking the bank. You can grab free stock footage from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. And if you want that extra flair, Envato elements or AI tools like Runway ML can create custom visuals in seconds.
The idea is to create videos that look professional and captivating, all while keeping the process simple and budget-friendly. That's how you build a faceless channel that stands out.
Now let's talk about money. You're pouring your creativity into these videos, so how do you start earning?
First up is ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, AdSense starts paying you. It might seem small at first, but it's the foundation of your channel's income.
But don't stop there. You can also dive into affiliate marketing. Drop those affiliate links in your video descriptions. Every click can add up to some serious extra cash.
Next is sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands will come knocking, eager to work with you. Just make sure the sponsors align with your niche, so everything feels authentic.
And if you're looking for passive income, digital products are where it's at. Think ebooks, templates, or even online courses. Once you create them, they work for you around the clock.
The key is to diversify your revenue streams. Ads, affiliates, sponsors, and digital products all together. They create a robust income model that supports your channel's growth.
Now let's address the elephant in the room, starting with 0 views.
Here's the truth. Every single successful YouTuber began at 0. It's normal. The secret is to keep uploading and refining your content until the algorithm starts to take notice.
Don't let the fear of 0 views hold you back. Focus on consistency and quality. Every video you post is a stepping stone toward success.
Remember, the algorithm rewards regularity. If you commit to posting on a schedule, say 1 solid video per week, you'll build momentum over time.
It's all about shifting your mindset. Every view, every subscriber is progress. Keep engaging with your audience, learn from the feedback, and stay persistent.
If you fall into the trap of overthinking, just remind yourself, every big channel was once an unknown one. Your breakthrough is just around the corner.
All right, it's challenge time. Here's your mission. Pick a niche that lights you up, create your very first faceless video, and upload it this week.
Don't overthink it. Just hit that record button. Your first video doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to get you started on this incredible journey.
Drop a comment below with your niche idea. We want to hear what you're passionate about, and we're all here to build a community together.
And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. The Faceless YouTube revolution is here, and you're invited to join the movement.
Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discover the secret strategy of faceless millionaires.
Remember, no face, no problem. Just pure content gold. Get out there, start creating, and watch your channel grow. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of YouTube. Let's make 2025 the year you turn 0 views into a viral sensation.